Up until now, we've been using our browser to test our RESTful API. But there's actually a lot of really cool tools out there which can help you test and build your APIs a whole lot faster. And one of those tools is Postman, which is a plugin that's available for Chrome. Let me show you how you can go and get that to help you build and test your APIs a whole lot faster and easier. So if I just open a tab and type Chrome Postman plugin, which I actually already have installed, but you can see on the Chrome Web Store, we have this Postman plugin. The reviews for it are pretty good. They're like close to 5-star. And it's an app that's going to help you test your APIs a lot faster. So you can go ahead and install that if you haven't already. And I'm just going to go ahead and launch it. And while that's loading, I'll go and copy this URL, this localhost 8080 hello Yoshi, and you'll see that Postman has a section kind of like the URL bar, which allows you to fire an API call. So Postman is, in web terms, what we call the client. It's the guy that's actually going to go and connect to your API, and your API is the server. So client connects to server, and server sends a response back to the client. So in this case, I'm sending a GET request to localhost 8080 hello Yoshi, exact same as I would do in my browser. And if I click send, we see that bye bye Yoshi is outputted to the screen. If I go and let's say we change this to server.post, since post is a lot more common when you're building your RESTful APIs, this is going to handle a post request to hello/name. So if I go to, let's say, post, this time instead of issuing a GET request, we're going to issue a post request to the same URL, and we see that we get our bye bye Yoshi. So if we were to change this to, let's say, my post would be the URL for the post request, and my get would be the URL for the get request, we'll see that if we do a post to my post, again, it still works. If I were to try to do a post to my get, this is not going to work. We get a post is not allowed, method not allowed error, and that's because my get must be called using the HTTP GET method. So Postman is a very simple way to switch between the various HTTP methods that you want to use. You can specify a URL, and in future lessons I'll show you how you can actually send data, which is really easy. You're just essentially typing param and the value you want to send. And it's a good tool to get in the habit of using if you're building a lot of APIs and you want to rapidly test them. So that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.